In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to full screen League of Legends. If your game isn't filling the entire display or looks a bit off, this quick walkthrough will have you playing in true full screen with the best possible image quality. First, make sure you're actually inside a match, so the in-game video settings are available. The easiest way is to jump into something low pressure, like the practice tool. Once you've loaded onto the Rift and you can move your champion, you're in the right place to adjust everything. Next, open the Settings menu. You can do this by clicking the small gear icon in the top right, or by pressing the Escape key on your keyboard. This opens the in-game options panel where all the graphics and display controls live. From here, switch over to the Video section. This tab controls how the game is rendered and displayed on your screen. Look for the option labeled Window Mode. Click it and change it to full screen. When you do this, the game will take exclusive control of your display. You might see the screen flicker for a second as the change applies. This is normal. Full screen mode is ideal for maximizing performance and minimizing input latency, which is especially helpful in fast-paced matches. With full screen set, adjust the resolution setting right below it. Choose the maximum size supported by your monitor, also known as your display's native resolution. For most modern screens, that might be 1920 by 1080, 2560 by 1440, or 3840 by 260. Picking the native resolution ensures the image is sharp, avoids scaling artifacts, and keeps the game from looking stretched or blurry. If you're unsure which number is correct, the highest option that matches your display's aspect ratio is usually the one you want. After selecting full screen and the highest matching resolution, the game should apply the changes right away. You'll notice the image locks neatly to the edges of your screen with no borders. That's it. Your game is now running in true full screen at your monitor's optimal size. These settings will be remembered the next time you play, so you won't have to repeat this process every session. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the window mode option or it looks different, make sure you're inside a match rather than in the client lobby. The in-game menu has the controls you need. And if the screen flickers briefly while applying changes, that's expected behavior for full screen. Enjoy your smoother, cleaner, full screen experience in League of Legends.